guys, welcome to my Anabolic kitchen. Today we're going to be making Anabolic Pancakes. These have over 75 grams of protein in them, and basically, here's how you make them. The link will be, for the recipe will be down in the description. It is 3 grams of coconut flour, 60 milliliters of egg whites, 1 egg, 5 grams of cocoa powder. Be in the description below, I promise. And oh yeah, and a splash of almond milk. You want it to be kind of like this kind of consistency right here. See how it has a little bit of movement, but not too much. That's how you want it. Okay guys, now you're gonna want to put about a tablespoon of butter in there. Now you can just use olive oil, but I use a little bit of butter because that fits my macros. But for you guys, you can just use whatever can help lube up your pan. So if it's not thick enough, you need more of a thick consistency, you can just add oats. So here is what the filing touch looks like. So it's about 1 minute 30 on medium on one side and 1 minute on the other side. Obviously gonna get some syrup. I'm gonna top this all off and then I'm gonna eat it. Got some sugar-free chocolate. Now normally I would heat this up, but nah, not today. Some syrup. Can't go wrong with syrup. And this right here is hazelnut spread or literally just Nutella, but sugar-free. Final product. So let's try it. Okay. Get a nice, good heat. Ooh, that is good. 100 for taste. Oh my goodness. This is better than the waffles. And the French toast. So, recipe will be in the link below. Macros will be in the description. Wow, it's very filling too. This is awesome stuff. That's all you need for delicious, protein-filled breakfast. I love you guys.